Hi, Mel Daniels here from Mel Business Services. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create some quick and easy templates for some quotes to be able to share on your social media pages. So let's get to it. We're on canva.com and you can actually open a free account. So once you've opened your account and put all your details in, this is the screen that you will see. And before we get into actually creating the graphics themselves, I'm just going to show you a little trick. If you go over here to your brand, you can actually put in the details of your colors of your particular brand. So you can see here that I've added a purple and an aqua already because they're both part of my brand colors. And the third one is actually a gold color. So I'm just going to put in the details here. So that's the gold, and we're going to enter that as well. So that's actually going to save you some more time at a later stage. Instead of having to type in every time you want those colors, we can easily click on these colors. Okay, we're going to go ahead and create a design now. So click the purple button that says create a design. And we're going to choose a social graphic or a square social media graphic. And the reason for this is we can use both of those sizes on both Facebook and Instagram. So it's just easy to use. So in this screen, we're given a blank template here to use. So the first quick, easy template I'm going to suggest is we're going to do a background of one of our brand's colors. And for example, we would choose the purple. And we're going to add a little bit of text in here. We're going to add the actual quote itself. So I've actually got all my quotes already in another document, so I can just copy and paste them. So there's the quote there. Obviously, the text looks a little bit small, so we're going to make it bigger and move it into the middle as well. So with my particular brand, I use a couple of standard fonts. One is like a cursive font and the other is like a typewriter font, if you like. So I'm going to find the typewriter font, and there's a lot to choose from here, as you can see. Okay. So we can just keep it simply like this if we wanted to. Or you could make it a little bit more funky and put the text to one side. So this used to be how I used to do my quotes. Not anymore though. Okay, so we'll just make the text a little bit bigger. And you can fiddle with the text size, whatever you want to do. Quick, simple, easy, done. Okay, so the second one I'm going to show you is using some photos or some images. So there's two ways that you can use photos or images in Canva. We're just going to create a new design here so I can show you from scratch. So you can either use the upload button here, and you can see that I've got two images in there already. So they're images that I've collected from a free source called pexels.com. So that's where I get a lot of my free images because they're free to use for commercial purposes. So there's a couple of images there. So we could go ahead and click on one of them, resize it like that to make it fit the entire square. So that is one option for using images in your branded templates. The second way is to use the images that Canva already have. So if we go to elements down the side here and click on this here that says free photos, it's going to give us a whole heap of standard stock images that we can use for our particular quote. So if we just scroll down, we might find one that has a particular plant on it or something like that, some sort of natural image. Okay, you can also search as well. So here we go. So we'll resize that so it fits the entire square. Okay, so we've got our picture. Now on top of that, we can just place a transparent square or circle if you like. So we'll go ahead and do a square. Close the photos down, and in shapes, we will find a square. Now it's going to default to your brand color that you put in previously. So we're going to change the color of it. I'm going to change it to a white. And then by clicking this button over here, you can see that it's transparency. So we can change it to make it a little less solid. So you can kind of see the picture at the back. Really easy to do. So now what we're going to do is add the text like we did before. This time we're going to change the text to something different. So perhaps you might like a more script looking text. Or perhaps this script might be better. Okay, we're going to make it a little bit bigger. Once again, you can center it. You can see that the purple lines there are giving us the indicators of where it's centered. Okay. Once again, we'll center that, and you can see the purple lines there saying that it's centered. So that's just some basic ideas on how to create some branded quote graphics for your business. It's really quick and really easy, and you can add all sorts of different elements to it within Canva. And once again, that's a free service. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Make sure that you click subscribe on my YouTube channel, and I look forward to helping you love your business again.